Pet-friendly indoor plants add greenery to your home without posing a risk to your furry friends. These non-toxic plants enhance air quality, boost mood, and create a calming atmosphere. Choosing safe plants ensures a beautiful, worry-free space where both pets and plants thrive together. Let's quickly explore it. Calathea. Calathea is a stunning pet-friendly indoor plant known for its vibrant, patterned leaves and air-purifying qualities. Safe for cats and dogs, it thrives in indirect light and humid environments, making it ideal for homes and offices. Its unique foliage moves with the light, earning it the nickname prayer plant. With proper care, regular watering, high humidity, and well-draining soil, Calathea adds elegance and color to any space without posing a risk to pets, making it a perfect choice for plant-loving pet owners. Watermelon peperomia, Peperomia argyrea. This indoor plant admired for its striking, watermelon-like leaves. Safe for cats and dogs, it thrives in bright, indirect light with moderate watering. This low-maintenance plant prefers well-draining soil and occasional misting to maintain humidity. Compact and slow-growing, it's perfect for small spaces, adding a fresh, vibrant touch to any home. With its unique foliage and non-toxic nature, watermelon peperomia is an excellent choice for pet owners seeking a stylish yet safe houseplant. Prayer plant, Marantha leuconura, is a beautiful, pet-friendly indoor plant known for its striking, patterned leaves that fold up at night, resembling praying hands. Safe for cats and dogs, it thrives in indirect light, high humidity, and consistently moist soil. Its vibrant foliage adds color and movement to any space, making it a favorite among plant lovers. With proper care, the prayer plant remains a lush, non-toxic choice for homes, ensuring a peaceful and pet-safe environment. Boston fern, Nephrolepis exaltata. Boston fern is a pet-friendly indoor plant known for its lush, feathery fronds that add a touch of greenery to any space. It thrives in bright, indirect light with high humidity, making it ideal for bathrooms or kitchens. Keep its soil consistently moist but not soggy, and mist occasionally to prevent dryness. This air-purifying plant removes toxins, improving indoor air quality. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, it's a safe, elegant choice for pet owners. African violet, St. Paulia. African violet is a pet-friendly indoor plant admired for its velvety leaves and vibrant flowers in shades of purple, pink, and white. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers moderate humidity. Water with lukewarm, room temperature water, avoiding the leaves to prevent spots. Well-draining soil and a balanced fertilizer help it bloom year-round. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, African violets are a safe and beautiful choice for pet-friendly homes, adding color and charm to indoor spaces. Baby rubber plant, Peperomia obtusifolia. Baby rubber plant is a pet-friendly indoor plant with thick, glossy, oval-shaped leaves that store water, making it low maintenance and drought-tolerant. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can adapt to lower light conditions. Water moderately, allowing the soil to dry between waterings. This compact, air-purifying plant is perfect for small spaces and requires minimal care. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, it's a great choice for pet-friendly homes looking for a touch of green elegance. Nerve plant, Fittonia albivenes. This pet-friendly indoor plant is known for its striking, veined leaves in shades of green, pink, red, or white. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers high humidity, making it ideal for terrariums or bathrooms. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy, and mist regularly to prevent drying out. This compact, low-growing plant adds a vibrant touch to indoor spaces. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, it's a safe and beautiful choice for pet-friendly homes. Haworthia. Haworthia is a pet-friendly succulent known for its rosette-shaped, fleshy green leaves, often with white stripes or bumps. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate some direct sun. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings to prevent root rot. This low-maintenance, drought-tolerant plant is perfect for small spaces and adds a modern touch to indoor decor. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, Haworthia is a safe and stylish choice for pet-friendly homes. Ponytail palm, Boccarnia recurvata. Ponytail palm is a low-maintenance indoor plant with a unique bulbous trunk and long, curly, strap-like leaves. Despite its name, it's actually a succulent rather than a true palm. It thrives in bright, indirect light but can tolerate lower light. Water sparingly, allowing the soil to dry completely between waterings as it stores moisture in its trunk. Drought-tolerant and slow-growing, it's a great choice for busy plant owners. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, it's a safe, stylish option for pet-friendly homes. Areca palm, Dipsas luteensens. Areca palm is a pet-friendly indoor plant known for its feathery, arching fronds that create a tropical look. It thrives in bright, indirect light and prefers moderate humidity. Water regularly, keeping the soil evenly moist but not waterlogged, and ensure good drainage. This easy-care plant also purifies the air by removing toxins. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, the Areca palm is a safe and attractive choice for pet-friendly homes, adding a touch of greenery and elegance to any space. Spider plant, Chlorophytum camosum. Spider plant is a resilient and pet-safe indoor plant, featuring long, arching green leaves with white stripes and producing small plantlets on trailing stems. It thrives in indirect light and does well with occasional watering, letting the soil dry between drinks. Known for its ability to purify the air, it's an excellent addition to homes. Non-toxic to cats and dogs, it provides a pet-friendly and low-maintenance option, adding a dynamic, natural touch to your living space. Polka dot plant, Hypoestes philostachya. It stands out with its brightly speckled leaves, bringing a playful touch to indoor spaces. It flourishes in indirect sunlight and enjoys evenly moist soil, making it ideal for humid environments. With regular trimming, it maintains a bushy, compact shape. This colorful plant is well suited for pots, hanging baskets, or terrariums. Completely safe for cats and dogs, it's a worry-free way to introduce bold, decorative foliage to your home without compromising pet safety. Orchid, Phalaenopsis. Orchid plant is a stunning houseplant that adds a touch of elegance with its delicate, long-lasting flowers. Preferring filtered light, it thrives in a loose, airy potting mix that allows its roots to breathe. Watering should be infrequent, ensuring the roots dry out slightly between drinks. With minimal upkeep, it rewards growers with vibrant blooms for months. Completely safe for cats and dogs, this exotic beauty is a perfect choice for pet owners looking to brighten up their home. Parlor palm, Comedorea elegans. Parlor palm is a classic indoor plant that brings a lush, tropical feel to any space. It thrives in low to moderate light and prefers slightly moist soil, making it an easy care option for beginners. This slow-growing palm naturally purifies the air and adapts well to indoor conditions. Since it's non-toxic to cats and dogs, pet owners can enjoy its graceful, feathery fronds without concern. A timeless choice, the parlor palm adds elegance and greenery to any home. Cast iron plant, Aspidistra elacia. This plant is a nearly indestructible houseplant, perfect for those seeking a low-maintenance greenery option. Tolerant of low light, irregular watering, and temperature fluctuations, it thrives in conditions that challenge most plants. Its broad, deep green leaves bring a touch of elegance to any space while requiring minimal care. Completely safe for cats and dogs, this hardy plant is an excellent choice for pet-friendly homes that need a durable yet attractive indoor plant. Chicks and hens, Sempervivum tectorum. These are hardy, low-maintenance succulent known for its rosette-shaped growth and ability to produce smaller offshoots, or chicks. It thrives in bright light and requires minimal watering, making it drought-tolerant and easy to care for. Perfect for pots, rock gardens, or indoor displays, this resilient plant adds a unique texture to any space. Completely safe for cats and dogs, it's a pet-friendly choice for those looking for a fuss-free, decorative succulent.